I know the family can even look for her, but so many days, but you not found.
The next time you do this again, hadi.
Etrowe.
Me pop.
Eh, send etrowe denka ajis kwangaminka.
Me do nyankofo.
We kwangaminka bi.
Telling you the father mother.
Straight to dead.
Wallahi.
Abua.
Uti agura nessa wo. Send you besewatu. Besewatu.
That's what you want so.
Besewatu ku fam.
Asema make say benya bufu asem. That's what fun kiki say.
Maka say mo kira bi. Sewati.
Surely.
Let today be your first and last. So what say? Yeah, obi ake hotel di amanu ko bi. Next time,
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, boss.
Next time, what about Jibbo? What's it?
Carry Papa, why are fire? Anna, what we near me was I see a numbi. As I make a bit before me coming near them. Depends on that one and be to watch it. I be a man in coffee. Kick, hey! Na ni oni mudi mu ana anaike what the name be agwakwen because anyway in your hobby me atra 2 years and half 4 years all because of patenti timi di mani be penny say yay debita sene na anya ya wachine be sene na misu a wachine bi nso mesiri sene na media reho a wache bi mesiri o the baby born soon crank sa baby as na fa ni apam simple.
All my pretty girls in the club, put your hands in the air. Caribbean girl with a body you for bounce for allergy. Put up on like that up, it's about to get dirty. Mr. DJ put it for rewind cause I'm feeling already. This song is a band. All my ladies in the club. To my ballets, are you ready? It's already weekend. All my pretty girls in the club, put your hands in the air, yeah. Caribbean girl with a body you for bounce for.
Partey,
Hey, Waka.
what are you doing outside here?
I'm just enjoying the natural air.
Now, why are you cleaning room 7?
Oh yeah, my cleaning baby. Once my juma de me ba no pasana, it was me cleaning baby.
Okay.
Ade, boss saying.
One car and I'm not making sure say we clean one room. Now, Francis want to say.
Oh no, yeah. Bro, me kwanam some cars in the actual refi. The guy who is doing something, I don't really like it. And it hurts me a lot of what he's doing. Anything. Me won't be catch him say, me ko kanche Francis say, only son in your free hotel. Na birthday in no buy. Birthday ni kura nya maso. Or that's what hotel ere. It mean I'm in kasa oti. It mean ko kanche na me permanent free hotel.
The day you has gotten the authority and the mandate. Say it again.
Also on the son in your free hotel. I don't understand.
Partey, this time round, you have to look smart enough. This is not the first time you have been making complaints about the day you. This is not the second time. Partey, so one thing you may be doing a coupon. The better third time no, wouldn't be good. Please. And what did you influence you?
He can never influence me.
Don't be influenced by the day you. Please.
Wakasu, he can never influence me. Many abofrao. Okay, I'm catching say so we be no again beka on one corner him because and again name sika on the behind hotel no. And on sorry me discount more.
But please, you have to look sharp.
I'm sharp, bro.
So the day you now on me apartment. The day you now on me hotel or on pray obi with me more. Na beka as natural. My brother. The day you is a bad person. So look smart.
Forget him, bro. Tomorrow I cannot come to work.
Why?
My sister is getting married tomorrow, and you know that.
Now, what woman Germany?
Oh, there be something can't change. Say it, China.
What is wrong with you? Obi a sister be worried that dad na funa woman Germany.
Me man you say ken na nka me ka che no. Ana ni do for sure.
On your office one.
Oh, yes, you say me ka che no biti.
Me de minim de batu de ko ka che nse wo ko.
Oh, okay.
Dede are you? Dede are you. We shall see.
All my pretty girls in the club, put your hands in the air.
Hey, what's my thing? So hot to me, I don't know what to do. Come back to what's up?
Fiti so through few besha hanu se won be hwehwe da de bia ye na yetwa kwan ya say am for one for so am ba ha de wo de wonim ye chi akwan yo
Onya de osaje no ka. Fiti last time I ba ha say be hwehwe hey fusia ade ye be jai haba. The thing is mo they told me na me fame and all that I needed time to recover and all that. I don't feel okay, so very soon, never fear. We thank God for recovery. Say Fiboko.
What is she mommy so ben guess ya dey me guess so
yeah, no once we really lucky. Yeah, the bag guess ya buy so you can't guess cry.
catch na ya want me nko pass me say ya na baby I be catch the catch
to waste time is just wasting all of us our time. This is all about my new guy. New guy. Ada, you ain't happy for me.
Oh Francis, so how do you say to how many times? She did told a few days ago. Now it's now how catching my new guy and I'm not mastery. It's only this guy is not my banana. It's because of your man. That's why they after you.
Girlfriend, trust me. This guy is different. J. We should be happy for her that she has moved on because
don't support her.
I'm not supporting her. I mean, for outside, I mean, for society. Maybe some just say once we move it on, from J was toxic and so what me move it on. That's good, but at the end of the day, when you say most men are like that, but Pakuba could be woman or your papa. Only maybe papa exactly. You know, so
Okay, they know this guy.
He's Partey, Thomas Partey, the footballer Partey. Maybe was this on the levels? Yes, footballer Partey, the one you know. And the levels in the house, sister.
You don't increase
Capital, so increase. I'm just praying that this guy is not like Jay. He's everything. Like he cares about me or treating me right. Just like he's opposite of Jay. The way Jay is sitting, he's opposite of him. Oh, you will love him when you meet him.
And are you sure he's not after your money?
No, Partey is not after my money. He's never after my money. Partey. Oh, you'll get to meet him very soon, and definitely you guys will love him. Mia, you know we always got your back, but just so that this J thing doesn't happen all over again. Never. We hope you are right with this. He's caring and he's nice and he's different from J. But if you say he's good as he is,
you always have our support.
Oh, thank you so much, girlfriend. Thank you.
All my pretty girls in the club, put your hands in the air. Caribbean girl with a body you for bounce for allergy. Put that on.
Partey. Na mo kwa here was egusui. Oh, Frances no say the eco shop me Partey. No go to ton tare kakra mai. Come again. You see Frances. O so dem me Mubarak wa council. And Thomas Tay Partey. Eco shop no go to ton wa kakra mai. Oh, that's nice. Oh man. Oh, nice. But that's good. But now your friends is here waka na fe Partey kono. Did I use to be say?
Oh, we know it's just a small shopping. Right.
It's on can is actually on can. Oh, the business say be me say be mo ku bet. On say anybody on say we are three the same can.
It's just a small shopping.
What you say? Debut small shopping like how? Like Dede.
Oh, Dede, Emmanuel Hawaii, who they share tree?
Why some other time me no be ko.
Oba pon ka ho.
We no kwanya e kire am e hwa so say ye kan ke me nsa na e hwa e kire. But all the same no I say we yimu I say
o say money how some other time o do so be ko wa no say eh.
But we jimi na ade. Ade mi chikwa mu wiase kwa ni nipa say ohun oba na o tete nipa o. E oba kwa ni.
Da bi na asema me kan bo ne say.
E ma bag say o motom tuju say wa ne wa.
De enya hwe.
Aso kwa me nka bo ne.
Enya hwe be ma enya hwe. Ti ne hwe kire kwa ba. Why?
My dear for share carton so I will come for the fan way.
Let's go. Kale, ibi ya kunu.
Da bi o, me busas enti ai say no, mo duma na wo no, an for ne be.
Me pa cho ma wie me de.
O so wie de.
Ezuma anye kura obe enti no.
Okay, safe journey.
What you say?
Thank you.
But we no ai your friend say
Like that you.
Shopping let say like mo go shopping like
shopping everything conclusion.
Shopping you got down kura say shopping.
Oh say e ba say de ntimi an ko shopping ni bi say na ma de den say my dogs so say
Me ba me ni o ma.
de den say my bebre na say wan ka so ko shopping no.
Ah, me ba to biscuit.
Hey, ne say echi na no shopping. Mo hwe. Ne say echi no pa ne ntade mo no. Wan ka so quite confused. Give it an what here. Next year madam nwunu mu asante fo mo yimi mu beboa. Wo mu asante fo mo yimi mu. Obi a nyina SGS ba ko no as a triplet people wearing the same jersey no. What we have is selection. Eyi mienu. Em ba ko ka kire. Wonim tira. Wonim adwen amafo no ho na wonim plans e wo mitiri me fa no ho. Ka me the first person ka dem be ko shopping. Dan ka sisa madwen. Typically it's not your time, maybe next time. Maybe means one planning pose of the Mukobi. I know I can't quite champagne, you know. I was at the mono. I got to Sunday, I could tell I could ice cream. Mo Champa, now we say yes, no. You believe in the Dayo. You believe in the captain, but I will show you Pepe.
Caribbean girl with a body you for bounce for allergy. Put up on no light test up, it's about to get dirty. Mr. DJ put it for rewind cause I'm feeling already. This song is a band. All my ladies in the club. To my ballets, are you ready? It's already weekend. All my pretty girls in the club, put your hands in the air, yeah.
You know what? You've really surprised me. Looking at your styles and the kind of person you are, I never expect that you go in for that cleaner, hair cleaner.
Hey, Lande, don't go there. You call him a cleaner. You know what he does for me?
You have no shame. No, looking at the kind of lady, your caliber, how pretty you are, and you are able to stoop so low for this riff-raff.
You know what? Now also we Jeremiah Mabonyesa. No one is you know what?
And for all I know, I know that we don't give food meant for humans to dogs.
It's me no time then I warrior mommy.
I've been keeping you company and all that.
Bema now funny cleaner no. Or the gym so. Or crock me. On your time, mommy. When was the last time you did that for me? Huh? When was the last time? Tell me, Jay.
But let me just set this record straight to you. I'm trying to be honest and truthful to you. If you really want to live to tell your story, just stay away from that guy.
You are threatening me, Jay.
Well, sweetheart, you can take it as a piece of an advice.
So you are threatening me after everything you had done to me?
You know what? I'll see you around, sweetheart.
Caribbean girl with a body you for bounce for allergy. Put up on no light test up, it's about to get dirty. Mr. DJ put it for rewind.
Hey, madam, me flow when you're bonnet. And the piano me ya it pay me say every day you don't listen to me. But I so think a pen on me pen on I said else be a me probe na say me no want that be as something like me pon and no want that keke. But what me pour some from my heart. I like you from everything like de wo hu bia na so abra bom nyina ehia me madam so ma mi ni Ghana
yeah
o papa nso ni Ghana
yeah
unuanom ka nyina nso ni Ghana yeah busa wo se de nam te
me kwai mo
eye Partey defu ya Thomas Partey ene de wonam ene ohia we ya ene an wo metu kwan o papa tu kwan unuanom ka nyina tu kwan nu waka ni nyina wi wasa ka twato san on de wawie because onye oba asabio obeboa na brabo oba behwe no obedi ni sika
sa
ade bia meti a na medi ya omakuma mu sasa wo je Partey di you trust Partey in every ways like your Partey be bia no wo gine di madam mesre wate mesre so media minim say wo de ma perform team be kan ya mfa magie atum wo de ma to form kura wan fama anya hwe but je mekan say hwe hu your Partey ho be careful of a Partey because a Partey is a dangerous boy.
Dede are you
Madam
pacho wa wie
madam mawie say
I said the
I so surprise me kakra
my surprise so saying Dede I meant to was you I don't understand what pay me say me but still last I will try we say Partey na be na wo destiny one him say emfa but still I will try
be madam it be the sake of you so it be say it be like say I like you I like everything for you and now the pa ma pa okra to nchen now the tea the make no I beg
Dede
avoid
it's still I want to the making assemble cry
what if I'm space now I'm space now
I didn't want to mental who I say me I imagine him me say mempel okay open me bemboa
but I send you a job what the match for me and who say what the match from team Matthias here but the American and Catrice
you know what when I want me from me and from me room ho am from imagine how can say who say be man try me be what did they make a try
madam say oh yes I dey wan hwe ya say mo me kan kire because me penny pass say o kan dey mana
me kwa me ni dey am sorry but me nim so be kan yasa say ma try me I dey na out sir why
what do you mean another oh come on
you are insulting me
yes because what you're doing is a bad
you
doing
are insulting me
SMS me
Dede you are insulting
oh
me.
madam wan hwe ya nhum ye o
Obede
what wan hwe ya nhum ye kura what
hey wonders
it's
Bome
madam
you know what I'm going to report you to your boss.
Report why
Me report so and you will hear from me well me yes you would you will be sacked Sana will catch you
I'll be sacked like
you will be sacked
like sack what there or who or bottle sack like sack what there or bottle or who
you know what when I'm done with you you will see
too not why and you watch the could be and watch it I can now when you pick it to be maybe and come and do one because I'm a was and come to Vejano. And it become it when I finish dealing with you, it become like a sack like a pump him a patino. Partey will crank it, Partey so better to you, Partey, you see, make a grandfather, there is saying, send me palm, himself when I can make a Partey, make it like I mean, Madame cry. Ha! Me bro, me bre papa nyasem ketua afi me hia more ideas for my chiri bench here to be obenya adu bi on fa ma me naija me create na me fam tu Partey ase na de adu ne de hey
So our bridge memo. Now we're branding long hours need 2 to 3 jobs. Now per something genuine. Every time you one more to me at 2 hours. No, so no more your time for family there. And you know the digital marketing business. Everywhere. We a business sir. When you any work experience, you hear no phone or tablets, any internet connection. And no kwana hunya. That's how I sign on to a coach and a mentor. I guide you through the process. What status wa? I one castle business. I was start you. What to me register with the government and what to me sign a jama and chima. Na me so start here bibi kakra bi na betua na no kra ne amount 30 good days sefa dream ho share business model no check the community out senya bibi a woni je ho a ye tua se kanyina ma within the 30 days until you have absolutely nothing to lose opeso ho ma me website and our screen so no konefa odinu email address na ko register na share complimentary webinar no and I say me number na our screen so no fra na friend me na me fa processing nya me kan ho I will see you on the inside.
All my pretty girls in the club, put your hands in the air. Caribbean girl with a body you for bounce for allergy. Put up on no lighters up, it's about to get dirty. Mr. DJ put it for rewind, cause I'm feeling